Picking the right antivirus software can feel like a never-ending maze. There are so many options out there, all claiming to be the best. But how do you know which one actually delivers? Well, that's where Norton 360 comes in. It's one of the most trusted names in cybersecurity, and it's been that way for years, for a good reason. Norton offers comprehensive protection that's easy to use and packed with features to keep your digital life safe. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Norton 360, from its different plans and pricing to key features and just how easy it is to set up. Whether you're completely new to antivirus software or thinking about switching to something more reliable, stick around. You might just find that Norton is exactly what you've been looking for. Though if you guys just want to take advantage of the discount code without hearing me yap, you can head over to the description below and take advantage of the discount that we have available for you there. So take advantage of that if you don't want to hear me talk anymore. Alright, so Norton offers a range of plans. So whether you're just looking for basic protection or need something more comprehensive, there's an option for you. If you only need coverage for one device and want solid security without breaking the bank, Norton Antivirus Plus is a great entry point. It's about $30 for the first year with our discount applied and includes essentials like real-time threat protection, a firewall, and a password manager. If you're looking for something a little more advanced, Norton 360 Standard gives you everything in the basic plan but adds a VPN for private browsing and dark web monitoring. It's only $10 more, coming in at $40 for the first year when you use the discount link in the description. If you use multiple devices though, Norton 360 Deluxe is where you get the best value. It protects up to 5 devices and includes parental controls and privacy monitoring, all for about $50 in the first year, which is a huge discount from its regular price of $120. For those who want the most complete protection, Norton 360 with LifeLock Select takes things to the next level. On top of everything the other plans offer, it includes identity theft protection, credit monitoring, and even financial reimbursement if you're a victim of fraud. It's $100 for the first year, down from the usual $190, and is perfect for anyone who wants total peace of mind. Now, nobody likes spending forever setting up new software, and thankfully Norton makes the process incredibly simple. Once you sign up, just download the installer, run it, and follow the on-screen instructions. The setup wizard walks you through everything step by step, so you don't have to worry about figuring things out on your own. Once it's installed, the interface is clean, easy to navigate, and not cluttered with unnecessary options. Everything is right where you'd expect it to be, making it simple to manage your security settings, check for updates, or run scans. Even if you're not super tech savvy, Norton keeps things straightforward so you can focus on what really matters, staying safe online. And that just about wraps up today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any further questions for me, then leave them in the comment section down below. I'll also add a link to my Norton 360 review, so you can check that out if you want more information. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and don't forget about those links in the description to get the best possible discount for Norton. At any rate though, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, make sure to take care.